Hello, in this video, we will instruct you to create a Binance account. First, you visit this link. I attach this link in the description box. You click on the link in the description box to receive exclusive offers from Binance. Next, you can enter an email address or phone number here to create a Binance account. For example, I enter an email address, then click Next. A verification code will be sent to the imported email, so launching the email. Then get the code here. Copy this one. Then paste it into the session. Next, you enter a password. Please note that you need 8 to 128 characters with at least one number and at least one uppercase letter. Then click Next. Next, you verify the account. Select the country region of residence and the country region of documents issuing. I select Vietnam here. Then you choose the document type, ID card, driver's license, or passport. I select driver license here. Then click Continue. Next, with document verification step, you choose one of two options. You can upload ID document from the current device, or you can verify with phone. Please note that you need to use the original ID because the copies or screenshots are not accepted. Ensure all information is visible because the damaged or expired IDs are not accepted. I choose Verify with phone here. So I use the phone camera to scan the QR code to connect. Scan this QR code, click on Binance.com. Then allow Binance to access your camera. Click Upload. Next, click Upload here. Choose one of three options: Photo Library, Take Photo, or Choose File. I select Photo Library. Then choose the photo. Then click Continue. Next, go to the liveness check. Make sure that your face is clearly visible and maximize the screen brightness. Click Continue.
Please nod your hand.
Follow the instruction.
Please blink your eyes. Portrait collection.
Next, you check the confirm information here with the nationality, full name, dates of birth. Then click Continue. Then you wait for Binance to review your ID document. Binance will send an email to announce that the verification is successful. You can log in the email you used to create your account at Binance to see this email. Then go to the home page again. Click on this icon, select Account. Then you choose Security. Next, add phone number, you click on Manage. To verify your phone number, click on Add Phone Number here. Then go to the email to get the code, paste it into the session. Next, you enter your phone number into the session. Click Get Code. Wait for the code and enter the code into the session. Finally, you click Submit. You have just completed phone number verification. Alright, we have just instructed you to create a Binance account. You can subscribe our channel to see other useful information. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.